Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to turn your Android phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot. What you have to do, you go to your settings. You just find your settings, and then at the beginning it should be over here the option of portable hotspot. If you couldn't find this option, you can search on your setting by key in the hotspot. So it will show like this, portable hotspot. By the way, I'm using a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. It's supposed to be similar, even if you're not Xiaomi users, and just follow and search portable hotspot on your settings, and then you can turn on like this. This is the option of turn on, and then you can set up the portable hotspot. You can set up the password, and then the name of the Wi-Fi after you turn it on. This is my name of Wi-Fi, and then this is up to you. You want to create a name, it's really up to you. And then you should set up the password, because if you're not set up the password, maybe someone will log into your Wi-Fi and consume your data a lot. And then you just press done, and then make sure you turn on, and then that's it. That's very easy. Also, there is another additional options, such as turn off hotspot automatically, and then limit the data. And also you can use the Wi-Fi, or you can share your connection through the Bluetooth, which is not very common today. And also you can see the connected device after you turn on your Wi-Fi. And then it's supposed to be, if you are a toggle on your front screen or on your upper screen, it's supposed to be a hotspot option shortcut here. So my one is already there. And then if you are connected to current Wi-Fi, you also able to extend the connection. So no need to worry if your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, and then you share on the hotspot and some device connect to your phone. It means the particular Wi-Fi for that connect to your phone will be consumed as the data. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys.